Hello dear students. Now we are moving to the illustration 3. From the following particulars prepare comparative income statement of Mary Company Limited. Here particulars are given and year 2015-16 is given, 2016-17 2 years is given for you, and the particulars we have revenue from operation, that is 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, operating expenses 2 lakhs, 1 lakh 80,000, income tax, percentage of profit before tax, that is 20 and 50 they are given in the question. Now we have to compare this income statement. How will you compare? Okay, shall we move to the problem? Okay, listen here. First of all, you have to add revenue from operation and there is no other income. So there is no need to add. Next we move to the operating expenses. Revenue from operation, that is income minus expenses, you can get profit. From that profit, you have to calculate income tax, that is 20% and 50%, and then you can find out the profit after tax. Okay, this is a question for you. Okay, shall we move to the solution? Here the heading for this question: comparative income statement of Mary Company Limited for the year ended 31st March 2016 and 31st March 2017. First of all, you have to make a particular column. Next 2015-16 1 year, 2016-17 1 year, and next one is absolute amount of increase or decrease, percentage increase or decrease. Okay, this is a column for finding comparative statement. Okay, now this is, first of all you have to write the revenue from operation. Okay, so you have to write the revenue from important, the heading is very important for these questions. Okay, first we are moving to revenue from operation. Here I am writing revenue from operation. Okay, the amount is 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs. The amount is 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs. The amount is 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs. Next, there is no other income, so you can write operating expenses. Okay, revenue from operation is income, is it? Okay, you have to less what are operating expenses. You have to write the operating expenses. The operating expenses is 2 lakhs and 1 lakh 80,000. So I am writing here 2 lakhs and 1 lakh 80,000 is 2 lakhs 1 lakh 80,000. I am writing here. And next, now we are going to find out the profit. So this is income and this is expenses. Income minus expenses. So you can get the profit, that is 2 lakh minus 4 lakhs minus 2 lakhs is 2 lakhs, and 5 lakhs minus 1 lakh 80,000, you can get 3 lakhs 20,000. Okay, this is known as profit before tax. So this is known as profit before tax. This is known as profit before tax. And income tax is given as percentage, that is 20 and 50. So we have to calculate the income. So income tax. So listen here. Next we have to minus this list income tax. You have to reduce the income tax. For that you have to find out the income tax. For the first year you have 2 lakhs profit. Okay, from that 2 lakhs you have to compute 20% income tax. So here, listen here, 20,000 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs into 20 by 100. This is a calculation. Okay. So you can get 40,000 like this. You can make it. 2 2s are 4. 4 and remaining 4 zeros are there. So you get 40,000. Okay, this is a calculation, you know. Okay. The income tax is for the first year is 40,000 and second year is, you can calculate 3,20,000 into the percentage is 50. Okay. So you have to calculate 3,20,000 into 50 by 100. Then you can get 1,60,000. Okay. Yes. This is income tax. So now we have to find out profit after tax. We pay the tax here. First year we paid 40,000 and second year we paid 1,60,000 as income tax. So after that we are getting profit. Okay. This profit is known as after tax. This is profit after tax. After paying the tax, this is the profit. So you can find 2 lakhs minus 1,40,000 is 1,60,000. Here 3,20,000 minus 1,60,000 is 1,60,000. Okay. Yes. Now we can move to the absolute amount of increase or decrease. You can say that is 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs. You can say that is the increased value of 1 lakh here. In this next operating expenses, when we are moving to the operating expenses, that is 2 lakhs for first year and 1,80,000 for second year. So there is a decreased value. Okay, expenses decreased by 20,000. Okay, and next 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs 20,000. Here that after profit before tax we can get 1,20,000. Increased value of 1,20,000, and income tax being compared to this year. First year we paid 40,000 only income tax and second year paid 1,60,000 for income tax. So here the income tax increased to 1,20,000. So that when I compare to this 2 year when we compare this two data, there is no any profit. When we compare to the previous year, this year there is no increase or decrease in the value in the profit. That is equal. There is no any differentiate. The same profit is we obtained for 2 years. Okay. Now we come to the percentage. You know how to calculate the percentage. We have to take the first year amount and absolute amount increase value. Okay. So when we make this problem, you can make like this. That is 1 lakh. The increase value is 1 lakh is divided by 40,000. 4 lakhs into 100. Okay. How much you will get? You can get this is the increase value and this is the first year. Increase value is 1 lakh. This first year is 4 lakhs. Okay. First year is 4 lakhs. Okay. Listen here. When you make this we can make like this. இப்படி சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். இப்படி பண்ணால் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. ஸோ என்ன வருதுங்க 4/100/4 வருது. அப்போ நம்ம எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் அடிக்கலாம்? 25 டைம்ஸ் வரும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ த ஃபஸ்ட் இயர் இஸ் 25 டைம்ஸ், தட் இஸ் plus 20 increase value of 25%. Operating, when we come to the operating expenses, first year you get 2 lakhs, second year is 1,80,000. So there is a decrease amount, that is 20,000. When we compare to the profit, அது வந்து percentage நம்ம போடும்போது என்ன ஆகும் பாருங்க இங்கே 20,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 100 போடுவோம் இல்லையா? இங்கே வரும் இந்த 3 0 வச்சுன்னா இங்கே 3 0, இந்த 2 வச்சுன்னா இங்கேயும் 2 வச்சுறேன். அப்போ என்ன வரும் கிளிக் பாருங்க. This is 1 0, that is 10. You make 10 here. Plus or minus, that is minus, decrease value of 10. Next we can move to the here profit before tax, that is 2 lakhs and 3,20,000. The increased value is 1,20,000. the percentage will be 60%. You can see here itself. Okay, இங்கே பாருங்க 1,20,000 increase இருக்கு. First year 2 lakhs இருக்கு. Divided by 100 போடும்போது இது இந்த மாதிரி போட்டினா உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக தெரியுங்க. பாருங்கள் போட்டிங்களா? ஸோ இங்கே என்ன இருக்கும் 6, இந்த 0 இங்கே இருக்குது. ஸோ 60%. ஓகே, இங்கே என்ன ஆகுது 60%, that is increase value of 60%. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் பாருங்கள், இங்கே இன்க்ரீஸ் வேல்யூ 1,20,000 இருக்குது, இங்கே வந்து 40,000 தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ இங்கே பாருங்கள் ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வரும் பாருங்கள். 1,20,000 இஸ் இன்கம் டேக்ஸ். ஓகே, இன்க்ரீஸ் இருக்குது. போன வருஷம் எவ்வளோ பே பண்ணியிருக்கோம்? 40,000 தான் பே பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே பாருங்கள், இந்த 2 0 அடிச்சா இங்கே 0 போயிடும், இங்கே 2 0, இங்கே 2 0 போயிடும். இப்போ எவ்வளோக்கு 12,200 divided by 4. 3 4s are 12, அந்த 2 0 அப்படியே போட்டலாமா? அப்போது 300% எவ்வளோ இன்க்ரீஸ் இருக்குது? 300% இன்க்ரீஸ் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? இங்கே நம்ம வேல்யூ பார்க்க முடியாது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா 2 வருஷமும் there is no increase or decrease. ஓகே, இந்த வருஷத்துக்கு பார்த்து கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது 2 வருஷம் ஒரே லாபம் தான் இருக்குது. there is no increase or decrease. ஸோ அங்கே நம்மளால் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, this is the next sum, illustration 3. ஓகே, இது ரொம்ப ஈஸியான சம். இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு என்ன இல்லை, இன்கம் அதர் இன்கம் கூட இல்லை. நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணால் போதும், இன்கம் கூட எக்ஸ்பென்ஸை மைனஸ் பண்ணி ப்ராஃபிட்டை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்கம் டேக்ஸை கால்குலேட் பண்ணி போடணும். போட்டிங்கன்னா யூ கேன் கெட் தி ப்ராஃபிட் ஆஃப்டர் டேக்ஸ். ஓகே.